Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something super fun. I think I say that every time, but today I'm doing something really different and I am following a challenge video, which it's been quite a while since I filmed one of those. I feel like I'm usually late to the challenge to the point where it's like, oh, everybody's done that. Today, this one is new. So first off, I saw this picture of Nikkie Tutorials. I absolutely love her, follow her, watch her videos. She is quite amazing, especially with her artistry skills. So I saw this eye look and of course I was intrigued. So I went ahead and checked it out, and she's doing a new challenge, which is Google Picked My Makeup Challenge. So I was really intrigued. I'm like, what do you do? What do you search for? Because obviously if you're Googling something, you're gonna find some results. Her challenge was basically to go to Google, type in the first letter of your first name, first letter of your last name, and then type the word look, and basically search the images and pick the very first thing that popped up. When she did that, this is the image that she found. It is basically 3 houses in a row, pink, yellow, and blue, and thus became the pastel look, which she absolutely slayed. So naturally I thought, why not me? Why don't I try this look out? So I do have on a little bit of foundation and I did a little bit of bronzer because frankly my skin was throwing off the camera because it's so white. So today my hair decided to part down the middle, like literally spontaneously parted down the middle, and I have had a side part for I cannot tell you how long. So we got our poofs on, so let's see together what comes up for me. So I'm gonna type in A-W and then the word look. So let's search together. What? You guys saw that. Not only is this ridiculous and not a picture that has any color, it's kind of rude. And we don't like to use that word, retarded. So this is the rules of the challenge. Okay, so we're gonna overlook the politically incorrectness of this post. And let's just talk about how I got a black and white meme. Okay, I'm all about a meme. Memes are great. Memes are life. What am I supposed to do with this? Okay, so while I think about the torment that I'm about to be put through, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on some brows and think about this, because I honestly, it's black and white. I guess my look is black and white. I'm using the Precisely My Brow Pencil, and mine is in the shade 3, and I still have no idea what I'm doing. Alright, brows are on. I still honestly don't know what to do with this look. I'm just gonna say that it's a safe assumption that we need to go with a white background, so let's go with a white background. So I'm going to take a little bit of MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, and then I'm going to take some Kat Von D Lock It in the shade Whiteout, and I'm going to create a nice little base, and I'm actually applying just a little bit of that to the back of my hand so I can warm it up. So I've got my little mixture ready. So I'm going to take this Real Techniques 200. This is that Bold Metals collection, and I'm gonna kind of blend together and go ahead and apply this to my lid. No idea what this is gonna turn out like, just gonna say that. Okay, so we've got a nice base on. We obviously need something white to set this beast. So I'm going to use this Lorac Mega 3 Pro palette and go into the shade Snow just to kind of set everything. This is not ideal. Not at all. A really soft shimmer to it, so it's not my first choice. So I'm going to mix it with a little RCMA powder. Okay, well that's about as white as the bitch could want it. So I'm gonna grab a little bit more of white out because it pretty much is dried up there. All right, we're whited out. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing. So we got stick figures. A stick figure of a person, a stick figure of a dog who likes pineapple pizza, and then a very rude stick figure person, and that's it. And then a sad face. I don't know. Okay, so we got a lot of lines. So I think this definitely calls for some liner. I'm going to use the CoverGirl Get In Line liquid liner, and this is in the shade of 320 Major Matte Black. So we're going to shake that up and go ahead and apply some liner. And there are a lot of lines, so I feel like we should do something interesting. Let's go ahead. And I've never tried this liner, so cool to try it out. Ooh. Okay. Okay, CoverGirl, I see you. Ooh, if you like a super matte black, this one dries really quickly and it is really matte. So that is pretty cool. They also have a vinyl if you like a more shiny finish. Alright, we got a major little wing going on there. So let's see what else. What else do I want to do? I think I'll go ahead and finish an eye. So this dog is telling us, and we're going to ignore the bottom. This dog is telling us that pineapple pizza is good. Okay. So we need a little pineapple pizza going on, I think. So pineapples are a little yellow. So we're going to take the shade Edge from the Subculture palette and pop some pineapple right there. I think we need some cheese. So New Wave from Subculture will do. A little cheese and crust. And we definitely need a little pizza sauce. So pomegranate is gonna be our pizza sauce. Okay, I feel like for a black and white meme, we don't have enough lines because I feel like there was a lot of stick figures lines going on. Alright, I have finished off my eye look. I can't really describe what I've done, but I will say that it does look white and there are black lines in it. And then I did my pineapple pizza coloration underneath, so I got a little pineapple, little cheese, little pizza sauce, but we are missing the crust of the pizza. We're just gonna keep it going. So I'm gonna use this Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in Sogno, I don't know. So we're gonna apply this crust to my lips. Ew. Alright, pizza crust has been applied. I honestly have no idea what to think about this. It's a mess. That little crossing right there. It's supposed to be like the intersection of the white cubes. These dots represent nothing but my pain and sorrow. This lip is awful. We didn't really do any contouring or anything, so let's contour this nosy. A little blush. Let's go ahead and have some highlight too. This is Milani Strobe Light Sun Glow. We're going to pretend that it's the heat from a pizza oven instead of the sun. Now we've got the golden brown of the pizza. Maybe that's the grease. Well guys, we can say that we tried. This was just not the best. So that is my Google Picked My Makeup challenge. I know that this is not what you guys expected, but hey, I didn't have a lot to work with. It doesn't look that great. Not at all. If you're looking for a matte eyeliner, this CoverGirl is bomb because it is super black and it is super matte. So if you have trouble finding a good, really matte liner, check it out.
I think I'm gonna go wash my face now. That glow though. Milani, don't play. Milani, don't play, bitches.
So that is it. Google Picked My Makeup, and this is what they did to me. Ugh. If you guys are interested in recreating this, be sure to tag me. I'd love to see you guys do this challenge as well. So you can follow me on Instagram and tag me there and show me your looks if you want to try this out. It's definitely fun. This is obviously not something that I want to do all the time makeup wise, but it's fun and creative. Some people might get really lucky. I think getting the like pastel colored houses was really cool because she had so much to do and she turned it into something beautiful. I, on the other hand, got a black and white stick figure. I don't know. I made the most of it, I think, because your girl wanted to turn off the camera, okay? If you guys want to see me do other challenges, then make sure to drop those in the comments below, and I will be sure to try them out for you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below before you go, and definitely turn on those notifications because you will definitely be the first one to see the video. You might be the only person to see the video because I know it is kind of strange these days. If you're not turning on notifications, you may or may not know when I upload, so I would love for you guys to do that for me. And as always, be sure to leave a thumbs up if you like this video and if you like this type of content and you want to see more of it on my channel. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!